Hey everyone, I'm Roger for Vivint. Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to set up two-factor authentication on your Vivint account so that it's better protected. First, go to your app store and download an Authenticator app. We recommend Authy, Microsoft, Google, or LastPass. Next, go back to your Vivint app, tap the hamburger and your name, toggle on two-factor authentication. I'm going to show you how to set this up manually. Tap Manual Setup, copy the code, and tap Next. Then go back to your Authentication app, tap New Account, and enter the key. It's going to ask you to name it. You can choose a logo and give it a nickname if you'd like. Now this is your two-factor authentication code. You'll now need this to log into your Vivint account. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Come back and paste it. For maximum security, tap Sign Out of all devices and re-sign in using two-factor authentication. And there you have it. Double the security on your Vivint account in just a few minutes. Like, comment below, subscribe, hit the bell to know right away when we upload new videos.